Oh, a very sparkly top hat. Look at the details and some coordinating ribbon, and we got ourselves a pretty little set. And what we're going to make is a swag. We start with an evergreen base. I put a little bit of Mardi Gras mesh and started positioning my hat. Once that was done, I went ahead and made my bow. I will put the link below for the video on the bow. And trimmed some tails. I decided to leave my tails short because I wanted the hat to be visible. Plus, we are going to be putting in some elements. Look at that, the leaves that match the leaves on the hat. And we're going to arrange them here and there. I gave you guys a better view, sorry. We also have some sparkly picks that I picked up from a local warehouse, and we're just going to place them here and there. Gold and purple, of course, some gorgeous sparkly colors. I decided to go in with more ribbon and make a side tail just to bring more of our pattern down. The hat and the ribbon are available on my website. That's a 4-inch velvet ribbon that I embellished with some sparkly gold Arlequin patterns, and bring our leaves and all our colors from top to bottom. I just love those leaves, and all these picks and the leaves and the evergreen base are available on nixseasonaldecor.com. I will put the link below. I always like to insert elements in my bow to make it part of my design as I keep on going. Now you're going to see me clip a few of the picks, and that's because I needed to balance the width and the size of the swag. So it is okay to trim them a little bit if they are making your design not proportionate. And then comes to a point where you have to face reality and look at the swag or whatever design you're working on, because I felt working sideways to give you guys a better view, I was missing a few details on the one side of the swag. So I wanted to make it even. I made the design even on both sides. Hope you enjoyed.